Alabama follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment, making it a standard enforcement state for judgment creditors. Here is what creditors and enforcement professionals need to know about wage garnishment in Alabama. The Alabama garnishment limit, the maximum that can be withheld from a debtor's disposable earnings in any pay period, is the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Alabama does not impose a more restrictive state cap. Creditors get the full federal maximum. Disposable earnings defined. Disposable earnings are gross wages minus legally required deductions. Federal, state, and local income taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and state unemployment insurance. Voluntary deductions do not reduce disposable earnings for garnishment calculation purposes. Alabama garnishment procedure. Alabama law requires that before wages can be garnished, the creditor must have a valid judgment and must serve a writ of garnishment on the employer. The employer is required to answer the garnishment, withhold the applicable amount, and remit it to the court or creditor as directed by the writ. Exemptions. Head of household status does not provide a specific Alabama wage garnishment exemption beyond the standard federal formula, unlike Florida's expansive head of household protection. Domestic support priority. Child support and alimony withholding orders take priority over other garnishments. When a domestic support income withholding order is in place, the support withholding is satisfied first before any other garnishment is calculated. Employer protections. Employers cannot discharge an employee because of a single wage garnishment. Termination based solely on one garnishment order exposes the employer to liability under the federal CCPA anti-retaliation provisions. Finding the employer. The garnishment process starts with knowing where the debtor works. People Locator skip tracing identifies current Alabama employers for wage garnishment proceedings, delivered within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.